guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change your YouTube profile picture on Chrome. Let's get started. So if you want to change your YouTube profile picture on Chrome, then what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your Chrome browser, now in search bar you can search for youtube.com. So after searching for youtube.com, now what you have to do is just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on the three dotted icon, now if it's not on desktop side, you have to change it to desktop side. So if it's not on desktop side, you will find the profile icon like this. But if it's on desktop side, you will find it like this. So now what you can do is just simply tap on your profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on the profile icon, now what you can do is just tap on the view your channel option. After tapping on view your channel, now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile that you would like to change. And after tapping on that, now in order to change the profile from Chrome, what you have to do is just select the Chrome and then tap on allow. And after tapping on allow, here you can find your profile icon. Now what you can do is to change it, you just have to tap on remove. And after tapping on remove, you have successfully removed your profile. And now in order to upload it, what you can do is just tap on upload. And if you would like to upload that profile from your files, what you have to do is just tap on allow. And now you can select a profile that you would like to upload. So you can find any photo from your files, and then you can just select that photo, and after selecting it, just tap on done. And after tapping on done, you will successfully upload that photo on your profile. So that's it guys, this is how you can change your YouTube profile picture on Chrome. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.